number 3, and it's talking about an upward sloping yield curve. And we know that a yield curve, okay, represents the correlation between time, okay, and interest rate, normally used for the Treasury yield curve. Okay, so for example, on this one on our computer here, we have time going across, increasing from left to right, and with the interest rate going up. So here, a 5-year Treasury bond, in our case, okay, would sell today and provide a 1.5% yield.
Okay.
Now we'll return to our problem. Okay, so an upward yield curve, okay, might or might not mean that short-term interest rates are more volatile than long-term interest rates. It wouldn't appear that a yield curve tells us anything about volatility of interest rates. It tells us very specifically what the rate would be.
Okay.
Nothing to do with deflation expected in the future. If anything else, it might have something to do with inflation, but not necessarily deflation. Real interest rates are expected to decline. No, it doesn't tell us anything about that. Long-term bonds are a better investment than the short-term. It tells us absolutely nothing about what their better investment is. In fact, long-term bonds are higher riskier, right? Which is why they have a higher interest rate as depicted by the yield curve. Therefore, we are left with number E as being, we believe that to be the best answer, and we check that answer out. In fact, we are correct that E is the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay.